So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure that Riot Client is not running. So make sure that you close it, and in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. If you see Riot Client open, you want to right click on it, and it should be saying like exit for you. So make sure that you close Riot Client. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. Now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down to the R section. If you see Riot Games Client, you want to uninstall it. So you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. Also, if you want to uninstall Valorant or League of Legends, you can also find that in the list here as well. So you can uninstall that as well if you want to. Just click on the three dots and you can uninstall it. Now we're going to remove all the Riot game folders from our computer. So for the next step, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once we're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that. Now you want to click on Program Data. If you don't see Program Data, you want to click on View and then click on Show and then click on Hidden Items. You should now be seeing Program Data. Double click on that. Double click on Microsoft and then Windows. Double click on Windows and then Start menu. We're going to scroll down. Double click on Start menu and then Programs, and you want to delete the Riot Games folder. Just delete this. For the next step, you want to click on this PC and now your Windows drive. Double click on it. You should now be seeing Riot Games here. Delete this folder. And now for the last one, you want to go to search and type in %local app data %sign. Click on it. You can now delete the Riot Games folder here. And you may also have like Valorant, League of Legends. If you want to, you can delete that as well. And then that's how you do it.